Hello everyone. So this is going to be a two-part. Today I'm making a graduation banner. I'm using a photo and I'm going to sublimate on adhesive vinyl. I have a tutorial on our YouTube channel for this. There's a link to it in our bio. Here I'm sublimating the adhesive vinyl with the picture. The key to this is you are going to have to let this cool down. For the graduation banner, I'm using a blank signed banner with grommet. That's the size 24 inches by 34 inches. It's $12 on our website. And also I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks about this. I'm going to cut this down the middle because I've only used 6 inches on one side. So I am lightly cutting through the carrier and the vinyl so I can roll that up and save it. It's much easier to do this while it is. I'm actually even going to weed it while it's on the mat. Then I'm going to take our CDS clear transfer tape. It's 30 feet. We have two sizes, 6 inch for $10 and 12 inch for $20. CDS clear transfer tape is high quality reusable clear transfer tape. I have used one piece several times on a wet method. You can also just wrap it back around the roll so you can use it next time. Here I have laid the transfer tape down and I have taken the mat and I'm going to lay it on there. That way I don't get any bubbles or wrinkles. Now I'm just going to burnish it just a little bit. Then I will flip it over and I will cut the excess of the CDS clear transfer tape and roll it back up. I really love the fact that this is a roll, and if you use an odd shape you can roll it back onto itself because it does not have a backing. And just a little note, not all transfer tape is the same. If you are having trouble picking up holographic or some glitters, this tape is definitely for you. I've had a lot of customers say that they cannot pick up holographic adhesive vinyl with their transfer tape. This transfer tape will pick up perfectly. All you have to do is burnish it really well, and you will not have any problems transferring it on to any item that you are placing your adhesive vinyl onto. Here I'm cutting the excess and I'm going to roll it up onto the roll. Follow for part 2 when I put everything together for the banner. If you have any questions about any of the products or any of the techniques that I use, comment below and I will answer them. Thanks.